Welcome back to our T&C channel. Today we're exploring one of Dubai's most iconic shopping destinations, Al Ghurair Centre, located in the heart of Deira. Let's head inside Al Ghurair Centre and discover what it has to offer. From popular shopping brands and delicious dining options to family entertainment and the latest movies, there's plenty to explore. Let's see what makes this mall a favorite destination in the heart of Dubai. We've just stepped into the main entrance hall of Al Ghurair Centre. Right away, you're welcomed by a bright and spacious atrium surrounded by a wide variety of retail stores. From fashion and beauty to electronics and lifestyle brands, this is the perfect place to start your shopping journey. Now we have arrived at the food court, where you'll find a great variety of local and international dining options. It's the perfect place to relax and enjoy a delicious meal during your visit. Let's take the escalator up and explore the next level, where even more shops, restaurants, and attractions are waiting to be discovered. This mall first opened its doors in 1981. Al Ghurair Centre became Dubai's first modern shopping mall, and more than 4 decades later, it remains a popular destination for shopping, dining, and entertainment. With more than 250 stores, you'll find everything from international fashion brands and electronics to beauty, home decor, and everyday essentials. Whether you're looking for the latest trends or great deals, there's something here for everyone. If you need a break from shopping, head to the main hall where there's often a live event or special performance. Today, we're lucky to catch a vibrant dance show. You can also enjoy the latest movies at the cinema or have fun with family and friends in the entertainment zone, packed with games and attractions for all ages. Al Ghurair Centre welcomes around 50,000 visitors every day, making it one of the busiest lifestyle destinations in Old Dubai. Its central location, family-friendly atmosphere, and rich history make it much more than just a shopping mall. It's a place where shopping, dining, entertainment, and community all come together. If you're planning a day out in Dubai, Al Ghurair Centre is definitely worth adding to your list. Before we take you to the live dance show, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on our next adventure as we continue exploring the amazing places the UAE has to offer. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed exploring Al Ghurair Centre with us. See you in the next episode.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting content.